Hi, this is Luis Salgado, Lyft Ambassador for the New York, New Jersey region, and today I'm coming with a new video. Very excited to introduce the new weekly ride challenge. Remember, if you haven't subscribed or rated, down in the section below, please hit the subscribe button. If you haven't signed up to drive for Lyft or Uber, the links are in the description below. And this channel is for all of you that want to make more money on the ride-sharing platforms all over the world. Hey, I'm excited about this new bonus. Today is August 27. It's the first day of the weekly ride challenge, and I wanted to make sure that I made a video explaining or sort of looking through the points on what does it mean to be in the weekly ride challenge. For me, what I like the most is that it's democratic, which means that this bonus is now for everyone because it got rid of the most important or the most difficult hurdles to get this bonus. So before, when you had the Power Driver bonus that ended or died this last weekend, and you needed to accomplish the most difficult hurdle, which was having a 90% acceptance rate, which for me in many cases is impossible in many cases. One, and two, it was not cost efficient as a business because accepting 90% is a very, very high bar to supersede. So that was one of the things that they got rid of. They also got rid of the year of the car. So now everyone is eligible to do this new weekly ride challenge bonus. Before, the year was 2013, 2014 in some markets, and now everyone can do these challenges. Now, the other thing that the third thing that they got rid of was the peak rides. So the peak rides needed to be done with its certain hours. And the problem with this is that for those people that can only drive at certain hours because they already have another job, this is perfect because having peak hours, for example, the normal peak hours as they should be are the morning and afternoon rides, which happen between 5 and 9 a.m. and in the evening between 3 and 8 p.m. And those peak rides were unattainable to many of you that are full-time workers somewhere else. So now this bonus is attainable for everyone, and I'm really happy and excited about it. And remember, this is starting today, so they're still figuring it out. So you must be patient with this new structure, and some of you might be happy about this bonus, but some of you other that were full-time drivers might be a little frustrated with it. But we're working through it. So to know whether you are eligible to receive this bonus, you should have received an email this last weekend that looks sort of the one that you're seeing on the screen today. It says the weekly ride challenges, and it explains basically that the next week we're going to have this bonus starting, which namely is today. Now, so it's see, you can press the button right there where it says see your first challenges, and that will take you to your dashboard where you will see it will be reflected. We're going to go there very soon, but first I wanted to show you this email. It is possible that if you didn't receive this email, that your market doesn't have this challenge. And remember that in any given time there's going to be different structures and different promotions and even different versions of the Lyft app. So it is very possible that you don't have it in your market today, but soon you will get it. Okay, so let's look at the week of August 27th to September 3rd, you're going to see that the bonus is 10 rides. You have to give 10 rides in that time period, right? Within that time frame, and you receive $15 for the lower tier and 20 rides for $39 in the higher tier. I think this amount is a little conservative, and I'm hoping that this will increase in the market. But remember that my bonus is not necessarily the standard bonus in this market, which means that the algorithm, the Lyft algorithm, and the app assigns bonuses, different bonuses to drivers even in the same market. So this bonus that you see here might not be the bonus that you're going to be receiving, but this is the one that they sent me according to my driving activity. And since I'm an ambassador, I really don't drive ever, but I'm going to do these rides because I want to see how it works for the benefit of the channel. Now, so here it says the bonuses usually are going to have two tiers, which is the lower tier and the higher tier, which means that if you do only 10 rides or 11 rides, at least you get those $15. And then if you want to accomplish the full bonus, you're going to get $39. But remember that they don't add up. So you either get $15 or you either get $39. You don't get the amount the amount together. You're not going to get $54 together. So it's okay. It's great to keep this in mind when you're driving. So now let's see what happens here when we press this button. So it's going to take you to your Lyft app. Now, actually, it's going to take you to your dashboard because I already had signed in. So when you press that, it's going to ask you for your phone number, and it's going to send you a code, and then you'll be able to sign up for your Lyft dashboard on the website. So here we are on the website. As you can see, we are in Safari. So I already signed in. So here it's telling you what the current requirements are for the weekly ride challenge. And this is tailored for you. In this case, as we saw before, it said, you see, there's two tiers, and the bottom tier being the first level. So if you do 10 rides, you get 15, and then you'll get the higher level or the higher tier if you do 20 rides, where you get $39. Now, let's go to the app. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the app. And here we're going to see let's go to the home screen because I want to make sure that you understand. Let's go to the home screen. Oh, you're watching me fail here. Okay, no, now we're in the home screen. So here you see that in the earnings tab, right? You go to earnings tab, and there you're going to see all the activities, right? That if you want to know more about the earnings tab, there's a video in this channel that explains everything on the earnings tab. But here you scroll down and you'll see the weekly ride challenge tab. And there you just say, it's basically the same as we just saw, where you press here in the $15 range, and it tells you how many rides you are required to accomplish this bonus. And then you can go here and it tells you how many rides, and you have a counter basically that tells you how many rides you have so far, so that you can like sort of plan your week and know when it is that you can ride and how many more rides you have in order to accomplish that bonus. So basically that's it. Now I scrolled a little down and I noticed that this week we didn't have a weekly guarantee. And remember that the challenge and the guarantee are different. So I hope that in the future, they'll also include guarantees plus these bonuses, plus the other bonuses that are available for the Lyft drivers, namely the streaks and the power, not the power, but the prime time and this in the surge, no, and the power zones. So basically, these are different ways to make money, and Lyft just added a new one. Some of you I saw in the Facebook groups. Some of you are happy about this. Some of you are not. So in the future, you'll see that they'll figure it out. So from New York City, this is Luis Salgado, Lyft Ambassador for the New York and New Jersey region, and I hope to see you soon here at Lyfteando.